Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'll be talking about how you can send SMS through Node.js application. Like in my previous video, I have already said how you can send email through SMTP server and by using NodeMailer package. And I'm using the same template to show you how you can send SMS in Node.js. So for Node SMS sending, we are not using any temporary port like 587 port or SMTP host. Rather, we will be using one third-party API call. And the third-party website name currently is Twilio. So using this Twilio, we can send our SMS notification in your mobile or anybody's mobile, and how we can implement this in Node.js. So let's see. So this is not a like a free account. This is not a free website. So you have to pay a certain amount to get the better facility or best facility or customized message or customized SMS template. But for now, I'll be just showing you for local purpose how you can check whether the SMS the SMS you sent, that's sent to the correct number or not. And I will also show you how you can develop this whole thing in Node.js. So as you see, I have already created an account. So for me, the account is already created. So this is not that much tough. You have to just go to the Twilio website. So this one is the Twilio website. So you just need to write twilio.com, and from there you just log in with your email, and step by step, one after another, you will reach out to this position. So where you will able to see, like, it is providing me account SID. By default, for the developer template, it will give us some account SID. This is actually needed for sending SMS, and also it will send some auth token. You can see the auth token, and it will by default create one. Actually, there will be some get number button. So the moment you click on that get number button, it will generate one random phone number. This phone number will be given by Twilio. So this will be my from phone number, and the to phone number would be the certain set of phone number to whom you want to send the SMS, right? And also one more thing, like you have to use this complete thing, this complete phone number, not like remove one and then use the rest of the part. You have to use the complete phone number, and also in the two part you also have to write the complete phone number with the country code. Like my country is India, so I'll be using the country code as 91, and after that the phone number, right? So if my phone number is 123456, then before 123456 I have to write 91123456. 91 is because my country code is 991 as per India. So if your country is US or something else, then specific to that country you have to write the specific country code. Now let's proceed with the video. So here you can see, like, I'm already using the previous template. So nothing I will do that much, only I will be import one npm, that is .env, just to hide my phone number. Otherwise I can show that I will show you rest of the part, right? So now this is the thing. Now we have to write let account ID, and then let auth token. You can keep it name as auth token. Now I'll be copying those two. This account SID, this one is the account SID, and my auth token is also given, right? These two thing is mandatory for sending SMS through Twilio. And now the line we have to write, like client wants to require that specific npm Twilio. Okay, so for that I have actually for me that Twilio npm is already installed. So for me it is not giving any error. So for you, you have to do one thing, like npm I, and then Twilio, and then you just need to do save, so that this package.json, this Twilio npm gets saved, right? Now your npm is installed by using Twilio. So now what you have to do, by default you have to pass two parameter. Like as you see, the moment you put your cursor over here, it will show you, one second, the moment you put your card, it will show you two params like account SID and auth token. These two you have to send, right? And the additional option, or maybe you can say this is an optional parameter, that is OPTS, we don't need, but these two is mandatory, we have to pass, right? So now account ID and auth token. Now my configuration is done. for Twilio. Now this is ready to use. Now we have to write certain piece of code like making one function, const send SMS, very basic function name. Then this should be an async function, and through that you have to do. And now, like we are while sending email, we are making one email object, right? Now here also you have to write one message object, where we have to specify our from phone number and to phone number, and the body I want to pass. So the message body we also have to write, right? So in the function we can pass this as params, right? Now one more thing, we can put one try catch, like in case my SMS sending is not successful, so that it is able to handle and don't throw us any error, specific error. So you can do error and you can write, so just to show if any error occurs in that case, right? And in the try part we have to do const message equals to await client dot messages. It will automatically give, and then the create, like we are creating the message, so for that they put this function name as create, I guess. And then the message object you have to write, right? Now you have to specify this thing, like as I have already told you, like I already import the .env. So in the from part you can put that particular phone number which sent by Twilio, like this one. And in the two I'm specifying my own phone number. So for that I am doing process.env dot. In the this phone number part we can directly copy paste this phone number, send that phone number which is sent by, already sent by Twilio, right? And the whole thing, this whole thing, account ID, auth token, this thing you can mention in your .env file, and from there you can fetch here as like process env. Like I think if you check my other previous videos, then you will see what is process env, which I have already mentioned there in Node.js. So this is enough now. Okay, so now I'll be doing console log message to check whether our message sending is correct or not, right? And now we have to call this function with the, so I'll be specifying some text called sending message from Node.js application. Now, the moment I will run this code, probably one SMS will send to my mobile number. So I'll be showing you the screenshot. And from there, you can see like this message is coming there as printed. So for you, you can also try one. So if you found any error, then you can comment down below and we can work on that. But I think this code is enough to send the message, right? Now, what you have to do, npm run start. Like my message sending is successful, and these are the complete object. It will actually send you this message, will send you a complete object with the phone number, the Twilio phone number, and the phone number in which you want to send the message. And apart from that, the media, price, everything it is showing, right? So I will, as I've told you, like I will attach the screenshot where you will see like one SMS sent into my mobile number by saying sending message from Node.js application, right? So also you can try in this manner. So by SMS sending through Twilio, it's very simple, but this is also a premium account. So if you check the screenshot, then there you will find like the message is coming from like non-premium account. So the moment you will do, like the company name will mention in your message, right? It will be mentioned like Twilio. So if anybody don't want to mention the company name, then that person needs to opt for uh, premium version, right? So then it will not show the particular Twilio company name, and also it will give you the customized template. You can go for the customized template as well. So this video is very short. Like SMS sending is a very short thing and very small thing. It's not that much hard. I hope this video will helpful for you. In the next video, I'll be coming with some new topic. Thank you guys. Good night. And also one thing I want to mention, please do subscribe to my channel. Like as I already told you, like it costs nothing for you, but it means a lot to me. Thank you. Good night.